Hi, this is TokenClan channel. I'm Warren. Today we will be making a video on unboxing. On the 28th of October, we received a mystery box from a crypto exchange broker, and it is KuCoin. And they have sent us a gift box. As of last year, we have also received a gift from them in 2019, and unexpectedly they didn't even give us a call or give us a message that they will be sending it this year. But it was a surprise to us, and now in this video we will be unboxing and find out what's in this KuCoin gift box. Let's get started. In this box, the very first one, they sent us a mouse pad, and there is a iPhone case with KuCoin logos on it, a pair of socks with the brand KuCoin, a tee. Can you see that? A tee with the front and the back. Pants. And lastly, the last item on the box is a mug from KuCoin. So this sums up all of the contents on this KuCoin box, and also here's the end of this unboxing video. Thanks so much for the KuCoin team to send us this gift for this festive seasons. As all of us know that we pretty much have still a few months left for 2020. It was a crazy year in 2020, and when I say that, it means in the crypto world it is crazy. So and plenty of bullish news for crypto in 2020, and as a result, thanks so much for the thoughts for sending us this gift. And that's the end of this video. We'll see you again in the next one. If you liked our content, like this video, subscribe and click the notification bell. With that, I'm Warren. I'll see you in the next one.